Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand the poem The First Jasmine, which has been written by Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore.
So students, let us understand the poem The First Jasmine, which is chapter number 14. So, as I have already discussed you about the poet Rabindranath Tagore, let us now understand about the poem. What does the poet actually wants to say through the poem? Every one of us has some childhood experiences. Okay, we can remember some of them, and some of them cannot be recalled. So here is one incident written by the poet Rabindranath Tagore through a poem. The experience of holding the first jasmine flower in his hand, which happened in his childhood days. Throughout the poem, the poet remembers the first time when he held the fresh jasmine in his hand. This is a very remarkable childhood experience of the poet. Next, the poet recalls his joyous childhood days. In the poem, the sweet smelling of jasmine reminds him of the time he would spend in the company of nature's various forms. So there are many ways in which the poet has experienced the joys of nature. He experienced it through the sunlight, through the sky, the green earth, liquid murmur of the river, through the darkness of midnight, then autumn sunsets. So these are the experiences, the joy that he gathered from nature. In every small things of the nature, he got some happiness. Next, the poet also found joy when he first hold the jasmine in his hand. Okay, then the poet sounds nostalgic. The poet sounds nostalgic, but he is not sad. Unlike many other poets, Tagore does not wish to become a child again. Though he is sharing his experiences, but he is not in the saying it in the sense that he wants to become a child again. Nor does he feel sad about growing old. Instead, he accepts the inevitable reality in an unexpectedly cheerful way. In the poem, the poet remembers childhood experiences, but the poet is so much fascinated by one particular experience, that is the first time when he held in his hand the fresh jasmine, as because it gives the poet immense joy and happiness that he can never forget. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you have understood.